Hey everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HMD Arc phone, and today I'll tell you about some tips for smooth performance on this device. So let's get started, and firstly you need to see how much RAM memory your phone is using. So to do that you need to go to settings, and basically we need to enable developer options. So to do that, let's scroll to the very bottom until you see about phone section. Now here find more button, and if you scroll and find build number, you need to tap several times on this build number until you see message on your screen, you are now a developer. So with this, let's go back to homepage of settings and let's go to system section. And here you'll find those developer options. So let's open them, and we need to go to memory section. So here you can see how much RAM memory is in use, and additionally you can go to memory used by apps to see which applications are using the most memory and which ones are slowing down your system. Okay, the second tip is using Go versions of applications. What I mean by that, if you go to when you go to Play Store to download some kind of application, you need to try searching for applications like Google, or for example Google Maps or YouTube with alternatives. They should have like this small word Go. So for example, if you search Maps Go, you can see this is alternative of Google Maps. This is absolutely the same application as Google Maps, for example, but Go apps alternatives are much more lighter, and they are designed exactly for phones like HMD Arc, so the system overall feels much more faster. So yeah, use Go versions of applications. The third tip for smooth performance on this device is clearing app cache. Let's go to settings and let's find section apps. Then you can select which applications you use more often. For me it's phone, for example, and here below section storage and cache, if you tap on it you will see button clear cache. Let's tap this button and you can see that my cache now is cleared. Okay, but please avoid tapping this button clear storage unless you know what you're basically doing, because it can log you out or reset applications, so please be cautious. And the fourth tip is you can try disabling or reducing animations. We can do that using developer options as well. So why you need to do that? Because if you reduce animations, it will make your phone feel much more faster. So in settings, let's go to system section and find developer options. And here you need to find 3 settings. Here, as you can see in developer options, we have many, so you need to look for section drawing, and here you can see those 3 options. That's window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. So you need to change each of them from 1x to 0.5x, or you can completely set animation to off. Why doing that? With lower or no animations, menus and applications will open faster and feel more responsive. So try doing that as well. So I hope those tips help you. If so, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos, and see you in the next one.